Hey everybody, it's Bobby here, and what do you know? We're back in the guest house where it all began. In my lovely guest house. It's a great little house. I love it. And the kitchen is perfect for dishes like this. Today we're gonna make a peppery coleslaw with orange chili vinaigrette. Super simple ingredients, super simple ingredients. And the only thing we're gonna do is mix together a bag of coleslaw and a couple of peppers. And in the Vitamix, we're gonna blend together a hot chili oil vinaigrette. This is gonna be really tasty, really tart. It's gonna have some kick, and I think that you're gonna like it. So let's get started. We're going to use a pre-cut tri-colored coleslaw. All right, and to that, we're gonna add 1 red bell pepper. And I hope you like your coleslaw hot. I do too. Coleslaws can be, you know, there's so many different variations on them. And I've always really liked the standard kind of Southern, little sweet with mayonnaise. Coleslaw is really, really good. But it's fun to just do things different sometimes. So if you've got a pepper lover in your house or somebody who really likes spices, and I do, this coleslaw will be perfect for you. So we're going to use a half a diced and seeded jalapeno. That's going to add some kick. And we got a poblano pepper, which I like them. They're pretty mild, but they definitely have a distinct flavor to them. And this was a big poblano, so I think I'm only going to use maybe half to a third of that. And if I feel like that's not enough for me, then I'll come back and add some more in. But I think this is going to be plenty spicy, plenty hot. So I'm just going to kind of blend together our dry ingredients here. Okay, so here we go. We've got our dry ingredients together in the bowl, and now we're going to make our hot chili oil vinaigrette. So here we go. We're going to start off with some orange juice and some cumin, a little bit of lime juice. That's there. Those nice citrusy notes will just really add to our coleslaw base. Here we go, some pepper, some salt, and some sugar. Everything that you would expect in a vinaigrette. And plus a little Dijon mustard. Who likes coleslaw? Everybody? I do. And plus we're just coming off of 4th of July, so we're all in coleslaw mode right now. I like coleslaw on I don't eat them very often, but I like coleslaw on a hot dog. Gosh, we did so many of those when I was a kid growing up in Albany. Slaw dogs. And Paula Deen slaw on a good old grocery store hot dog was just amazing. All right, to that I'm gonna add some orange zest. Maybe about a half a teaspoon or so. Big, beautiful, fresh orange. Nothing like the smell of fresh zest. Perfect. All right, and some hot chili oil. Oof, that looks like a lot. We shall see if it's a lot or not. And hot chili oil. We'll get this going, and I will slowly add to it the olive oil. So we had to change locations. It was very funny. I said how great a Vitamix is, and wouldn't it be funny if it didn't work when I went to turn it on? And I turned it on and it didn't work. But it was because the outlet is not working. So had to change locations on the Vitamix. So here we go. I'm going to turn it on. Okay, great. So our oil is mixed, and let's add it to our beautiful coleslaw. Let me just give it a little taste. Oh man, oh. That's good. It's got a hot finish though. Woo boy, That stays with you. Hot chili oil. Ooh, boy, howdy. It's good, but it's hot, y'all. So that was, I used 2 tablespoons of hot chili oil. If you like it milder, you might half that. You might go 1 tablespoon, but boy, has it got a great flavor. And it's got really, well, it starts out sweet and then it finishes just warm. And really, really good, really great flavors. And look how pretty that coleslaw is. That's a great color. That chili oil is a wonderful reddish color. And it looks so pretty. I want to try this. Because the base tasted good. Coleslaw. Be good on a hot dog. So good. So, if you want to shake your coleslaw up and do something a little bit different, make this peppery coleslaw with orange chili vinaigrette, and I promise that you'll love it, especially if you like heat. Thanks, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.